Welcome to Anna's Dumpster Rental, the apex of affordable waste management solutions in Carillon Dayton, Ohio. At Anna's, we redefine the paradigm of cheap dumpster rental, offering a symphony of services to cater to your waste disposal needs. Our commitment to providing pocket-friendly options is reflected in our impeccable service track record and the satisfaction of our valued clientele. Embark on a journey into the avant-garde realm of waste management, where Anna's Dumpster Rental stands as a beacon of cost-effectiveness. Whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or event organizer, our dumpsters are meticulously designed to accommodate your unique requirements, ensuring a seamless and stress-free waste disposal experience. Dial 937-704-3069 to unlock the gateway to hassle-free and budget-friendly dumpster rental in Carillon Dayton, Ohio. Effortlessly navigate the digital landscape with Anna's Dumpster Rental at your fingertips. Our user-friendly website, annasdumpsterservice.com, serves as a portal to convenience, allowing you to explore our services, check pricing, and make reservations with unparalleled ease. Join us in our mission to transform waste disposal into not just a necessity but an effortlessly chic and environmentally conscious affair. Anna's Dumpster Rental, where affordability meets excellence, and waste management becomes a stylish and budget-friendly experience.